glowing face with beautiful skin is every woman desires. It makes them look stunning and attractive. But due to the pollution and harsh environment, maintaining a glowing and radiant skin is becoming difficult day by day. Facials and spa treatments are good for refreshing and rejuvenating your skin, but they are expensive and time taking. No need to worry. In today's video, I am going to tell you simple home remedy that can provide you with the same benefits but cheaper cost and at the comfort of your home. Ice facial is a common Korean beauty trend that is done to make your skin smooth and glowing throughout the season. The following are the benefits of rubbing an ice cube on your skin. First, your skin becomes glowing and radiant. Ice massage causes the blood vessels in your facial skin to shrink, causing reduced blood supply. When temperature comes to its normal, the blood vessels dilate and flush your skin with increased circulation. This improves the oxygenation and nutrition supply of your skin and makes it glow with radiance. Second, it reduces inflammation and acne. The ice cube application causes a reduction in inflammation and redness. It also causes a reduction in sebum production, resulting laser acne eruptions. Third, it closes open pores. Washing your face to keep your pores clean, but it also opens the pores. Make a habit of applying ice cube on your skin after face wash. This shrinks the open pores and reduces the chances of closing. Fourth, it increases the absorption of products. If you want to increase the absorption of your skincare products like serum or creams, then you should rub an ice cube over it. The constructive effect of cold on the blood vessels increases the permeability of skin and causes the product to absorb at high rate. Fifth, it reduces the under eye bag, inflammatory conditions and excess stress and strain may causes under eye bags. The most simple and best way to get rid of it is just place an ice cube under the eye and move in the circular motion. 6. It helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Regular application of ice on your face helps reduce the exciting fine lines and prevents wrinkles. Age can't be prevented, but regular ice application help in fighting aging symptoms to keep your skin younger for a longer time. I am confident that you will try this very simple yet effective method skincare. Thanks for watching. Please share and subscribe.